A business slogan with a pun means it has a word within it that has a double meaning, like Kit Kats, have a break, have a Kit Kat. The word break can mean to have a rest, as well as to break off a finger of chocolate. Well-written pun-based slogans are creative, clever, and catchy, making them a powerful marketing tool. A word of advice though: only use a pun in your slogan if it doesn't compromise the professionalism of your business and brand. The only way to know if it will work effectively is to write one. Enjoy. So let's get started. You'll need a pen and paper, or a device with a blank document open. Naturally, you'll need to know your business name as well. Get ready to press pause, because this is a fun step-by-step process, which allows you to create your slogan while you watch the video. We'll let you know when it's time to pause the video in order to write. Although you require a solid level of writing ability to write an effective pun-based slogan, we've made the process as straightforward and fun as possible. We believe in you. A quick, initial note: there are many ways to write a slogan with a pun, this is just one of them. If you find yourself organically trying something different as you follow the steps, great, go with it. The end goal is to write an effective, powerful slogan. How you get there is your own personal journey. Enjoy. Step 1. Write down a list of words. In this first step, you're going to write down a list of words relevant or related to your business, like your offerings, your benefits, your features, the way you do business, and so on. You're just brainstorming for now, so relax, don't judge your ideas, just let them flow. Here's a list of words we've created for a pretend business called Rebel Bread. The pretend team at Rebel Bread make gluten-free breads with unusual, daring flavors. So our brainstormed words are: bread, gluten-free, seeds, grain, slices, toast, dough, bake, sandwich, rebellious, different, delicious, funky flavors, healthy, nutritious, sustaining. Please pause the video and brainstorm words related to your business. Step 2. Highlight or underline words from your list that have a double meaning. Take a look at your list, and highlight any word that has two meanings. In our Rebel Bread example, we've highlighted the following words: bread, grain, toast, and dough, because they each have two meanings. Bread is a type of food, and can also refer to money. Grain is a type of food as well as a pattern on wood. Toast is a type of food as well as a celebratory speech. Dough is again a type of food, as well as a colloquial word for money. Please pause the video to highlight the words from your list that have a double meaning. If there are none, try to brainstorm for a little longer. Step 3. Create some rough slogan ideas. Using the double meaning words from your list, write some rough slogan ideas. The ideas don't have to sound great just yet, you're only brainstorming. Also, keep in mind that you don't have to use every double meaning word that you've highlighted, you can experiment with just one or two. Using Rebel Bread as our example, here are our brainstormed ideas. You don't need to earn much bread. Go against the grain. We'd like to propose a toast. Your turn. Please pause the video and write down some rough slogan ideas. Step 4. Choose your preferred slogan idea and refine it, edit it, and polish it. Using Rebel Bread as an example, we're happy to choose Go Against the Grain, because it ties in nicely with the name and mission of Rebel Bread. However, we're going to tweak it to include an element of description and differentiation, to become funky flavored, gluten-free bread. Go against the grain. Your turn. Please pause the video and refine and edit your slogan until you're happy with it. Step 5. Check. Flaunt. Leverage. This next step involves making sure you haven't accidentally created a slogan that's too identical to another company's slogan. To do this, search the intellectual property database within your country, and contact them if you have any doubts. See the video description for links. If your slogan is good to go, consider trademarking or registering it, and flaunt it to the world. Leverage it by placing it on all your marketing material, including business cards and your website. Congratulations! You've completed the process of writing your slogan. There are many different types of slogans, and we show you how to write each one of them on our channel. Wishing you continued success in your business and life.